Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make an automatic door in Minecraft. To make automatic door in Minecraft you need sticky piston, stone or any block, white concrete, bookshelf, redstone torch, redstone dust, redstone repeater. So guys, in this video I am going to show you two ways to make it. So first you need to place three sticky pistons like these, and then you need to place one redstone torch back of this sticky piston, and then another redstone then another block, any block up of this redstone torch. Okay, and then you need to place redstone dust here up on this block. Okay, then these three blocks will be powered. Then you need to place three blocks here and three blocks with the side of it. Then take a sticky piston again and place it like that before I have placed. Okay, and then again do what I have done over there. Okay, like this. Then you need to dig 1, 2, and then break these two blocks and these two blocks, and also break these two blocks. Then also break these two blocks and one of this one, and two this one, and one this one. Okay, then you need to place redstone dust over here, and then place a redstone repeater over here and over there. Then place redstone dust over here and there. Okay, then you can close this stone, close this with stone, and take white concrete, and you also need a pressure plate. Any pressure plate you can take. Okay, then place them there and also place them over here. Okay, like this. Pressure plate, stone pressure plate. Yeah, now it's working. Walk through it and like this again. Yeah. Okay, if you don't like this place in it, you can also close it. Okay, like this. And if you also don't like these place, then you can also close these. Nothing, you can see that here is nothing, but when you go on this, it opened and then closed, and then open and then close. Okay, and I will make a small room. Okay, this is a secret base, you can see. If it is not looking secret, you can break these, and when you come again, make it and go in and close it. This is simple guys, and here you can make your own secret room guys. So I will also show you another trick how to make it. Okay guys, guys, to make this, first you need any block, but I am using a bookshelf that it doesn't you doesn't know that here is a secret base. Okay guys, this is so much hard this is so much hard to find. Okay, this much is nice. So now I will close it with white concrete, the walls, this much. Okay, I have left one block. Okay, so like this, do it like this, and then also break these blocks. Okay, then yeah, then place 2 blocks here. Guys, see, nothing is can we see that here is a secret base. I will dig 2 blocks down, one here, this also, that also, and this also. Place these 2 redstone dust here, and 1 redstone repeater here, and redstone dust here. Then yeah, okay, so you can also change, oh no, yeah, you can also change the ground that it does not look that here is a secret base. Okay, it will take so much time, so I will not do it now. This much is pretty good. Okay, then if you want to go in, don't place it before. When you come here and you want to go in, then place it. Now I will close this place. Okay, and place one there and go there. See it? Wait, yeah, so now it is working. As you can see, a simple base is ready. So these were the 2 ways to make a secret base. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and comment, and don't forget to press the bell icon that when I make a video the notifications first come to you. Thanks.